Hello, Jason here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about septic tank grants. So why would you want a septic tank grant? Well, first of all, because the rules changed, right? All the rules and regulations regarding septic tanks changed on the 1st of Jan 2020, right? A year ago, just over, right? So basically the upshot is this. Every septic tank installed before 2015 now needs an MOT certificate. So if your MOT was installed before 2015, you won't have one of these MOT certificates. So for that reason, right, you're going to have to replace your septic tank and soak away, or maybe put in a sewage treatment plant, something like that. But anyway, whatever the reason, it's going to cost you about £10,000 to £15,000 to do so. And most people like me just haven't got that cash lying around, you know. It's a lot of money, isn't it? And so for that reason, people inquire as to whether they can get a grant for their septic tanks. Well, forgive me a second, just get my board rubber. So that leads us on to the next question, right? Which is, can you get a grant for your septic tank? Well, unfortunately, the answer is no. As of yet, you cannot get a grant for your septic tank to replace your septic tank. You know, so there's no subsidies or anything like that at the moment, unfortunately, right? So you're probably thinking, well, great, this is bad news, isn't it? Why am I watching something that's so negative? Well, I've made this video because I want to show you a very simple and cheap and effective way in which you can get round having to spend out or fork out £10,000 to £15,000. See, the options that you'd normally have, as I've already discussed, right, is number one, get a company in, right, to replace your old system. Now, as I said, and as I've already mentioned, as you know, this will cost you 10 to 15 grand, right? So that's option one, and many people are having to do that, okay? But the reason I've made this video is because I want to show you a better way. See, you can't make an omelette without breaking eggs, so it's going to cost you something, right, to replace your old septic tank and soak away. So for me, knowing what I know now, what I would do is, if I had to replace my old septic tank and soak away, I would either, number one, put in a septic tank converter. Why? Because these give you, that MOT certificate that you need, and you'll save a minimum of 10,000 quid by putting one of these systems in. They're like a little black box. How much room have we got there? They're like a little black box like that goes next to your existing septic tank, and it gives you this MOT certificate. It saves you 10 grand, and which is a lot of money, isn't it? So that's option number two. Option number three is if you don't want to get a septic tank converter, because let's say you're building an extension and you've got to relocate a new septic tank and soak away somewhere, then in that case I would go for something like a septic tank and soak away kit. Now, a septic tank and soak away kit again will save you about £10,000 to £11,000, right? These septic tank and soak away kits, I think they start at something like 1499, and they come with the septic tank, they come with the soakaway, they come with the inspection chamber, all the pipes, something like that, and they literally only take 2 or 3 hours to install. So although yes, it is a nightmare that septic tanks, if your septic tank was installed before 2015, you now need an MOT certificate, and the only way to get one is to replace it. The good news is that, right, there is an alternative way. Get a government septic tank converter. I think this particular one is called an ecosystem, right? Or you can get yourself a septic tank and soakaway kit, and you can put these. Either of these are made for the DIY market, so you can put them in yourself or get your builder to do it, right? Take him a couple of hours. But the point is, look, it's going to save you 10, 11, 12,000 quid. So there you go. So I hope that's helped you, and I hope that saves you money, and I hope that solves a problem if you've got one. But listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you'd like to see more free videos, then just go to Septic Tank TV, type that into the internet, and if you subscribe to my Septic Tank TV channel, you'll be in with a chance to win either an ecosystem septic tank converter, or you'll be in with a chance to win a free septic tank and soakaway kit. So listen, you stay safe, you take care, and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.